you think about me like I think of you. Wonder if you dream the way I do. When you look at clouds, do you see faces as I do? Do you get caught by your own thoughts like I do? Wonder what would happen if I showed these words to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to
Life of SNR.
So we are at some dirty lake place.
Sketchy dirty lake place.
We are basically taking a hike. See, we got our hiking shoes on. Not even, but well, we just wanted to come walk for a little while in the middle of the nature.
That's scary.
And we're alone and Daisy's freaking out.
Look at that.
And there's a random stroller that someone left over there with the book bag in there. We don't know who it belongs to or if we're safe, but here we are either way. Okay, so which way do we go now? We got the bird trail to the left and the Galax trail to the right. This way? Oh look, here's the thing. The bird trail is 5.5 miles, Galax trail 0.5, Spanish miles.
So they're all not even a mile. So we're here. We're gonna go. Oh, this is longer.
The one we're on?
Yeah, the red.
Oh, well, let's just keep going before someone finds us.
Shut up, And we have coffee. Did you tell them?
Oh yeah, we have coffee.
We go this way.
Even though it's all watered down now. That way?
Little ditch.
That's what's holding that wall. So we've been to this park several times, but it has been a minute since the last time we came. I'm not yelling.
You were in the middle of the woods. You want to die?
Well, so they can hear me. It's been a minute since we were here and Daisy swears she doesn't remember anything.
I don't. Except this. I remember that question mark looking bridge.
A question mark looking.
Murder, oh my god. It wasn't like that before.
Is that red, Daisy? Is that what blood looks like?
Okay, but why is it like that now?
Is it the same spot we were earlier?
Yes, look at the question mark bridge.
The stroller. Okay, we need to go. The stroller's not here anymore. Where was it?
It's there.
It's not up there?
No.
Ooh. This bridge is a little bit slanted.
What is happening?
The stroller's gone. And the water changed color for some reason.
I know, dang well it takes till I can see the picture.
Well, we should probably get out of here.
That's weird.
I'm pretty sure there's an explanation for that. If you guys know, let us know why change color. What is that?
Like a musty log or something. A rusty one.
But we're tired. Oh crap. What was that?
I take back what I said earlier about wanting to go on a haunted trail.
keep hearing noises, but there's no people. Earlier I heard people too, and we didn't see anyone. That was me tripping.
Who got that? It wasn't a stroller, it was like a little cart.
Yeah, but it had a book bag in there. But we definitely need to start exercising again because this wasn't even long. And I'm like running out of breath already. And we're just walking. So, this year we're getting fit, Daisy.
2020 was my year. Real quick.
Are you hot?
Yes.
The weather isn't bad. But it is winter. So I don't know why it's not cold. And these are all the snakes you can find walking through these trails. But we didn't find any. Only that one.
There's more people now.
There is?
But it's so weird that we didn't see anyone.
I know there's cars, but we just didn't see anyone. We just kept hearing noises and finding things along the way, but anyways, this lake is pretty dirty, so I don't even think they want to see this. Okay, we're going to the car now and then going home, so see you guys back at home. Okay, so we're back home now and we're about to do an activity with these. So this is Daisy's and this is Jaylene's, and it's basically a little metal thing in there. They're supposed to fill it in like this, and then we're supposed to bake it. So we're gonna do that and see how they turn out. Oh, it does have a glass. Oh wait, no. I thought it was glass. Okay, so it's cute.
I have white, purple, blue, and yellow. Here's mine. I got an angel. Stacy got gingerbread.
Okay, so they're gonna go ahead and fill it in. Y'all gonna watch while they do that, and then we'll show you how they turn out. And they're each gonna give him a name too.
Gotta see when it's done
To see how he looks like.
And me too.
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Worry way too much. Got a policy. Didn't bring me luck, just the honesty. Now it's all on me if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me.
Okay, so they're all done now. And now they're getting ready to be baked.
Yes.
And we don't know how these are gonna turn out because they don't have anything holding it, but
No
we're
molding.
just experimenting.
Yeah, this is a J. This is a heart.
That's Stacy's and that's Jaylene's.
Yep. I have a good feeling about this.
Oh, that's stuck. Okay, so the oven is set to 375 and they're gonna wait for 15 to 25 minutes.
See you in
20 minutes. God.
Just in time.
What is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? Beep. Where do I click? Where do I click? Where do I click?
Clear off.
That was such good pointy fingers.
Your heart doesn't look that bad. You need some. You don't have mittens?
So this is how they turned out. Oh, snap. Oh, snap.
Don't be such a high. Oh.
I got some holes. So there's Pablito. That's his name, right?
In the cup there. In the
I don't
cup.
know yet.
What should be mine?
Pablita.
Liliana?
Oh my gosh.
So this is what they look like.
Lexi. Lexi? Is Lexi cute?
Yeah. Where's your J?
What the heck is in my hand? Gosh darn it.
Do you like Lexi, Lexi?
And these are the leftovers we have, so y'all can still make something with this.
Yeah, because these came out cute. I mean, they came out like a bit bad. But I mean, that's fine. At least it didn't spread it that much. So her name is Lexi.
What's yours?
I want to say little Mr. Fluffernutter Cracking Pants.
Okay.
Spell that.
Fluffernutter Cracker Pants.
Mhm.
I don't know.
Okay, so hers is Pablito.
It's not. It's gonna be Look, it looks so cool in the light.
What if you just cracked?
He looks like kind of looks like a Jeffrey, right?
No. He looks like Pablito to me.
No, I'm gonna say Jeffrey Fluffernutter Cracking Pants.
Oh my goodness. Why you gotta be so extra?
That's his last name.
What was that? Anyways, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Let us know if you like watching us making different activities at home, because we like making those, but I feel like they're boring if we film them all the time. But let us know if you would like to watch more. We can show you how to do some crafts that we know how to do.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Daisy's gonna keep playing with her little Pablito.
It's not Pablito. It's Jeffrey.
Does he not look more like a Pablito?
Jeffrey Star. Look, he's a star. Ooh.
Pablito. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and
Shut your face.
oh my goodness. And subscribe. And make sure to turn on that bell so you can get notified when we post our next video, which is gonna be next week. So stay tuned. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye.